Hey everyone, welcome to Origami Tree. Today we are making an Origami Labubu, or should I say Lafufu. You're going to need 2 sheets of paper. This is a 3-inch square and this is a 2.5-inch square. One is for the body, which is this one, and that's for the head. And we're gonna start off with the head because I think it's more fun, right? So we're gonna take our sheet of paper, we're gonna do our color side facing down. So I guess this one's gonna be soy milk. We're gonna fold it in half like a triangle. And then we're going to take this bottom side and we're going to fold this slightly up. Now this is up to you how much you want to fold. So the more you fold, the thicker the ears are going to be. So this is going to be the width of the ears. I'm going to fold it about this much. And then we're going to take this and we're going to fold it diagonally right there. Kind of angle it a little bit out so that the ears are pointing slightly to the side. And then you want to do the same thing to the other side. So we're going to fold diagonally. Make sure it's semi-symmetrical. It doesn't really have to be because these Labubus, they aren't perfect. So here we go. Now let's turn it around and we are going to shape the head. So this little flap here, I'm going to fold it back and kind of round it off as much as you want or as little as you want. Do the same thing here. We're going to round out his face. Oh, sorry, her face. Oh no, I'm going to be called out. All right, now we're going to do the left side. And then finally the chin. And then we're going to make the ears less pointy. So you're just going to take this tip here and fold it back. And we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. How cute! And we're going to work on the body. So the body is a 2.5-inch square. Let's take it, color side facing down. We're going to fold it in half, but this time we're going to fold it in half horizontally so that it creates a rectangle. Now let's fold it in half again and unfold everything. So we got 3 creases here. Let's rotate and do the same thing on this side. So we're going to fold in half. In half again. And unfold everything. So now we have a grid of 4 squares by 4 squares. Let's just take the first row of squares and we're going to fold it up towards the middle. Do the same thing on the top. Fold this top down. And this part, just watch a little bit more closely. We're going to take this flap here, so the top right corner. And we're going to take this and we're going to fold it so that this side of this square aligns with this side. So let's fold it diagonally. Here's how it looks from the side. Should be a square. Let's do the same thing at the bottom. Here's the top view. And if I'm going too fast, you can always rewind or take a screenshot. So we're going to push towards the middle. So on the right, we're going to go to the left like that. And then it's going to create a trapezoid that we can flatten. So now we have a triangle at the top and a triangle at the bottom. Let's rotate and do the exact same thing on this side. So again, we're going to take the top right flap, fold it diagonally so that it aligns like that. Same thing on the bottom. Push and flatten. Alrighty. And then we are going to rotate. And let's make the little feet or the legs. Take this flap, pull it down. This one, pull it down as well. Now you can do this however you want, but I like to take this point here and align it to the side so that it creates little triangle feet. But you can round it out if you want. I just like it sharp. Sharp and pointy at the bottom. I think it's cute. And we're going to do the same thing here. So this point is going to align to this corner here. And the same thing on this side. Rotate. Right here, we're going to fold it a little back to round off the shoulders. Same thing on this side. Then we get the cute little body. And let's draw in the features of Labubu here. This is the soy milk Labubu. I am not an artist, guys, but I will try my best. And the great thing about Lafufus is that they don't have to look that great, right? Here we go. I mean, this is cute. I think her eyes might be a little too far apart, but... Oh, this one looks slightly possessed. Little nose. And a giant smile. So cute. And 9 teeth, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Look at her. I think I did a slightly better job with the brown one. Anyway, here's the face. And then let me grab some double-sided tape. I'll be right back. All right, got my double-sided tape. Just a little bit will do. We're gonna put it in the back like this. Oh my god, I totally screwed up her eyes. Anyway, tape it down like this. And that is how you make an Origami Labubu. Yay! Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit subscribe.